STLP Sports presents Bowling with Cats, brought to you by Danny Terrier's Disco Dancing for Cats, with one convenient location at Monkey's Eyebrow, Kentucky.
Welcome to STLP Sports. I'm your host Levi, and here to call in the action with me is Hadley.
Whoa! I can't believe there's a Monkey's Eyebrow, Kentucky. That's amazing!
Terrific. Well, let's meet our first bowler. Her name is Callie the Cat Lover with her cat, Sunflower Rosebud. What a tame cat. That cat should definitely go to Danny Terrier's Cat Dancing Club.
What happened to my body? What's hitting my head up? I think I broke my glasses.
Fantastic. Here's our second bowler, Colin the Crusher, and his cat, Tiger Lily. Today's first frame is brought to you by Danny Terrier's Kitty Crackers. If your cat is hungry and there's a slacker, perk them up with some kitty crackers. Here's Callie the Cat, first bowl. Wow, what do you think about that?
Well, I'll tell you what I think. These crackers are delicious. Why are they only just for cats? I eat these every day.
Well, here's Colin the Crusher. Wow, now that's how they did it 30 years ago. Well, our next bowl is brought to you by Danny Terrier's Kitty Plunger. When your cat gets stuck in the toilet and it becomes a plunger, don't forget to go grab your kitty plunger. Now, back to the action. Let's see if Colin the Crusher picks up a spare.
I need to call Leo's mom. Oh, pick up. Domino's Pizza. I did not call you guys, but okay. I might as well get some pizza. I'll take a giant cheesy pizza.
Give me some breadsticks.
With breadsticks, of course.
Now, I'm joined by Willa. Willa, how did you get here?
You wouldn't believe all the hoops I've had to jump through.
Here's Callie the Cat Lover getting ready for the second bowl.
Scout cookies, please? Why, of course, my cats like them.
Oh no, Callie has been disqualified for buying Girl Scout cookies during her bowl.
Where on earth did you read that?
Right here, in Danny Terrier's Book of Rules for Dancing and Bowling with Your Cats. Congrats to our winner, Colin the Crusher, has won by default.
What's wrong with this trophy?
It's magnetized to the table with Danny Terrier's magnets.
You got any crackers? Where